Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and do your daily reading. Since I always seem to forget it, I'm going to go ahead and just do it early. I am using my new deck here. Check out the sacred geometry in the back. These are pretty dope cards. Keep in mind this is a general reading. If you want something more specific to you and your energy, you can book a reading with me in the detail box below. Expect great news soon, my guys are saying. And that literally just came out of me. That's channeling, I guess, for today. But some of you guys are really expecting extravagant news. There's something coming your way, gifts, luxury lifestyle changes. All your dreams and fantasies are coming true at this time. So get ready for your blessings. The Chance the Rapper's song, Blessings, has been in my head all day. So that you know something good coming. These are new cards, so I'm going to bear with me real quick. I believe this is in reverse. So obviously you see how all these are curtains. So to me it seems like doors, different doors with curtains covering it. So this would kind of signify, you know, unveiling of something. So that goes in hand with the channel message that they just said. So some of you guys are working so hard, you're about to unveil an opportunity. Let's say you're a YouTuber, you've been working diligently, you might catch the eye of someone that may want to take you under their wing or invite you to do seminars or to do speeches, talks, TED Talks, things like that. Traveling, exploring. So your business could be expanding on a whole nother level based upon how much work you're putting in, and you deserve it. Some of you guys already know because this resonates with you. But yeah, it's in reverse though, so it's in the process of happening. So some of you guys feel like you're being slept on and you're not getting enough credit, but there are people who already know about you. There are people who are keeping their eye on you. Just like I always tell YouTubers, there could be celebrities watching you already if you know, depending on what your niche is and what you do. You just never know. Everyone isn't so outward about, you know, your successes, and your success is already happening. Regardless of how many followers, how many views, you know, you're already taking heat. You're already famous already. All right, next card. This is a beautiful card, but it's in reverse. So let's see what it's saying. Oh, it's powerful. Okay, so some of you guys are okay. This is so random, but some of you guys are shamans, so you're getting in touch with your spiritual side. Some of you guys are having a lot of spiritual dreams, a lot of prophetic dreams, a lot of naps where you feel like you're what is it called? On lucid dreaming, I forget the one that's where your spirit is leaving your body kind of thing, where you're having a lot of shamanic trips and shit. But this is like your soul kind of leveling up and spirit trying to help you evolve even more. So yeah, it's pretty dope. So let's see. Some of you guys could even be called to be a medium, honestly. This is a Joker card, but let's see. This card is beautiful too. It's pretty simple though. It's like fish in the ocean. So a lot of you guys are coming up, it's like the word "the come up" came up. So a lot of you guys are coming up on like, they're saying like the lottery, like you hit the jackpot. So keep moving forward, and then like it's kind of like working, chipping away at coal or rock, and then you find gold. So some of you guys are finding that now. If you haven't already, it's just a matter of time. So I'm gonna put like 2 more cards. These are dope cards. This one. So some of you guys are coming up on the time now of finding your kingdom. And some of you guys, you're being blocked off by it, or you have been blindsided for a while, but like your kingdom is just over this wall. Like your kingdom is right around the corner, literally. So some of you guys, this could be a city, this could be a town over, this could be a few towns over, you never know. But like, give yourself a chance to keep exploring, keep wandering, and you'll find your kingdom. So this card came up again, and again, this is about child custody battles. I don't know why that's coming up a lot, but a lot of you guys have been wondering heavily on that, I guess. And so it's in the process. Important paperwork have to be involved. It's not an easy process. It's going to take a while, so they're just saying be patient. But yeah, that's it, you guys. with today's reading. He told me unapologetically. Otherwise, a lot of you guys are receiving really good news today. So enjoy. Peace.